what we have here is a titanium modular welding table from Harbor Freight. Most of you have probably seen these on the internet, so I'm going to skip the introduction of what it is, what it's worth, or what it's for, and just get right into unboxing it. So, yeah. Okay, I know I can just slide this out, but it's pretty hard. I feel like it will be. So just doing that. It says do not eat, but I usually do anyway. Okay, overall, I feel this is a fairly nice kit, and it is, I would say, well worth your money so far, and just the stuff that you get. We'll see how it holds up in time, and let's go ahead and put this together, and I'll bring you back. So, to just get over the basics, this is what we call a setup table, a fab table, fixture table. Your average DIY user typically doesn't need something like this. You don't have to have one of these. I did without for a long time. So, is it worth it? I paid $160 on sale. Will I get $160 out of use out of this? Yes. Does that make it worth it to you? Depends on what you're doing. So if you're building turbo kits, this could probably work for you. Yeah, I said probably, but it could also not. It could also work against you. If you're capable of setting up on the ground and welding on the car or something like that, do that. But me, I prefer to be in a comfortable state when I'm welding. If I'm not comfortable, my welds are junk. So to me, this is a great investment for the future of LVP. And yeah. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. I know it's not super good. There's already a million others out there. So if you like this one, just give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow.